guys, welcome back once again. Welcome to Nikshala. First of all, my company J&M Education is now rebranded to Nikshala. So this is a new YouTube channel. Make sure that you watch this video till the end to get all the information. Alright guys, so I'm here with Sharif, who's studying in civil engineering in Dresden University here. TU9. It's one of the universities in TU9. How do you feel like? Before I actually give you a background of Sharif, how does it feel like to study in one of the prestigious universities in the world?
So, to be frank, I will be honest with my answer.
Yeah.
Usually, first I have been tried with the GATE exam, like I gave in India, and I got some 10,000 rank, and I didn't get my MS in IIT Madras like I was trying because I live near Madras. So I failed there, and I thought, okay, I want to pursue in selected things like in a good standard, at least my masters. Then I got opportunity in TU, like when I tried with my work experience, and I gave a good SOP matters, and because I was grown up in the atmosphere of research like ISRO, so Indian Space Research Organization, where my father is an employee and my brother is also an employee. And I worked there for like 1 year, and I did my internship, and it was a keen interest. Okay, let me choose out of my boundaries also and try. And I thought I will never get it, to be frank, but luckily I got it.
Alright. Great. I'm going to talk the specifics of that now. How about you give your background of what kind of bachelor's you have done? If you don't mind, you can also share if that's not too uncomfortable question. Also, yeah, let's begin with that. Just a background and where you come from, and then what kind of bachelor's you did.
Yeah, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and I did in civil engineering bachelor's.
Okay.
And like as I said, like when I failed the opportunity in getting in India due to heavy competition, and one of my friend first came to Germany.
Okay.
And since he suggested me, my profile is far more better than him, and he was suggesting and insisting me, hey man, why you are crazy about always in India and IIT?
Right.
And think of other things too. And of course I'm not so crazy of certain things like I want to do in IIT or NIT or something. I want to improve myself. That was my inner motive, because I felt in bachelor's I learned only few things and I was not excelling. But when I went for symposiums in India, like I went for IIT Bombay, IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Roorkee and NIT Surathkal, it gave me an exposure. Okay, these are many facilities. Actually, the IIT's NIT gives you facilities, and it's not the main thing, I feel like. So facilities make you to think broader. So I want to utilize those things. So that was the thing. Then I tried with my friend because I was keen. Okay, let me do in a specific thing. Then I applied only 2 applications, TU Munich and TU Dresden. If I get inside this, then I will go in, or I'll no need.
Wow, that's very optimistic of you. I think another question which a lot of people would be interested to know is, what was your profile like when you applied, and what were the documents required? What did you do from day one until you came back?
Yeah, since I was doing my internship, like it is called graduate apprentice in ISRO in design. I am a designer, like I was doing designs, and at that time I used to get some time in the evening, so I used to chalk out what I want to do. And it's like a procedure I can say, as an employee it's difficult to balance. So I took a help of my friend and a consultant, and consultant in the sense he's also a friend of mine, so he suggests me what to do. So it was very easy for me, and I was not referring anyone else. Like just I was keen. Okay, I am interested in designing field, so let me choose the design. I have chalked it down what is the important design courses are there. So it's a very few. And and my profile, like I got just a normal grade. I am not so like good scorer, but I got 78%. And the SOP matters, like statement of purpose matters actually, like why you want to pursue that course in that university.
Got it.
So I narrated with the way why I choose that course, and later on I applied like uni assist. Like every university has the specific things, like you have to go through, you have to get the procedure, and you have to understand it. So I was very keen with 2 universities. I was very simple, so that I got the 2 universities, noted down what to do, and you have to give IELTS exam. And it was like I have to apply through Uni Assist for TU Dresden. So I applied through Uni Assist, and for Munich I remember so it's 2.5 years back. So I think for Munich I applied direct. So they reply you whether you are selected or rejected.
Right.
So it's like a step process, like like paying some DD for uni assist and posting it, and you
Right.
wait for the reply and opening the bank account, blocked bank account.
Right.
So these are normal steps like we go through.
Right, right. So if you're wondering about Uni Assist process, I'm going to link the video in the description, step by step explaining how to file application through Uni Assist. Also, he spoke about blocked account. There is a video in the description. No need to hesitate when you are filing your application. My next question to you is, you did civil engineering in India, and now you're doing civil engineering here in Germany.
Yeah.
I'm definitely sure you see the balance,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
difference between what you studied versus what you're going to study now.
Yeah.
Can you just talk a bit more specific about subjects, courses, and what kind of development it is doing to your brain and your overall personality?
Yeah. Before coming here, I have a perspective that it's in a design course. I used to learn some specific designs, like it structured things or like different way. After coming here, I realized that it's completely different. It was a little bit shocking, and I realized it later when I started my project. The way they have structured everything,
Right.
it has been very keen with research, and yeah, of course you can go for a practical field also. It's not that you'll be in educational academic side doing postdoc or PhD. So there is an interlink. To understand that, it takes time. So don't get confused that okay, this course is not for my sake or it's not my cup of tea.
Right.
So you have got now FEM in the first like modules like FEM and numerical methods, building materials. So numeric, like these 4 main subjects.
Okay.
So you continuum mechanics. Yeah. While I was studying continuum mechanics, I thought, what the hell, man? Why I'm reading this? But I found out that it helps you later a lot.
Right.
Like while in the first semester, I thought it's like different.
Do you regret that not studying in first
Yeah,
semester?
yeah, I was
Because
not.
you're doing project now.
Yeah, I completely regret now because I studied in a different way, but it helps you a lot in another sense when I'm doing the project. I realized it.
Right.
So like usually if you do a calculation for 3 pages in mathematics, if you know continuum mechanics, it reduces your burden. You can
Right.
resolve it in half the page. So and my project initially was like in 3D printing
Right.
in concrete, and it was very keen interesting because it's upcoming technology that's in concrete. So these things comes to existence very later stage, like it
Right.
takes time,
Yeah. Yeah.
but being part of it makes you happy.
Great. We spoke about how do you feel like studying in prestigious university. We spoke about what was the process like. We also got to know that you only applied for 2 universities.
Yeah.
You were very optimistic. Otherwise, people file at least like 5, 10, 15.
No, that's what like I feel at the point of time you have to decide something for yourself. Of course, in Indian style, we depend on family. Many circumstances come in decision making in education.
Yeah.
At that moment, I thought, okay, let me be specific with what I want.
Yeah.
And to be frank, I don't want to be in this field. But my career safety, my father said, choose something. In that also, I want to be specific. Okay, I want to learn this.
Okay.
So Germany taught me that nothing is prestigious. To be frank, like here, that's the beauty that like you treat equally from there is no difference in like you can't call him as like a driver or like
Right. So the
something.
lowest job till the
His
highest
job.
profile job, no differences are
Nothing.
there.
Yeah. So
Right.
I know I cannot differentiate that it's a TU is a extraordinary or applied science is normal. No, everything like, since the
Exactly.
standard is same.
I want you to notice on my point what I'm about to say and
Yeah.
give your comment on it. In my point of view, here in Germany, I know a lot of universities are given their rankings and categorization. They are known for like, oh, this is best, this is this. In my view, when you go to employer here, they don't even ask you for that.
Yeah. Yeah.
They really ask you, okay, what did you do? Bachelor's, master's? Okay, in what? Okay, fine. So they usually in India, I have seen that the whole discussion starts on the it is all predicated on where did you study,
Yeah.
right? Oh, you're from IIM, the weightage goes high, like
Yeah.
oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, you studied in one of the local colleges. We'll see. Do you think is that true or
No.
am I wrong?
To be frank, that doesn't matter a lot. Of course, it's like an entry,
Mm-hmm.
but it doesn't matter a lot. For example, in my university itself, for applying projects or thesis, grades also matters. Like they see, okay, how is your academic performance? Are you able to withstand with this or not?
Right.
There are few professors and few PhD scholars like who gives you not by seeing your grade or something.
Right.
They see your enthusiasm and passion. You are able or capable to do. Or if
Right.
you are not capable, they make you capable.
That's
so
the point.
yeah, so
Yeah.
you may take little bit time, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So never think that your certain degree or certain place can make you differ. Like have self-confidence that definitely it will work, but it may take time. That's all.
My next question is, in civil engineering, to get a job, do you need German?
Definitely, because as I have pre-planned for not working here, so I am not keen in learning the language.
Okay.
But all of my friends who learn German are getting very fast jobs. Of course, communication is very important in civil engineering. So it's not that you have to write a letter or something so professional, but at least you have to communicate. Like
Right.
if you are able to communicate, you should not learn. Like I won't say that you have to learn up to C1 or B1. If you're able to communicate with the people and make them understand what you want, then it will be helpful for the job. Definitely for part-time jobs also it helps you a lot.
Right.
Language plays a crucial role.
Okay.
Of course, English also you are getting part-time jobs, but not as more opportunities as you got for German.
Right, it opens the doors, right? Many
Yeah.
doors open for you, and opportunities are waiting for you to hug.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like that. Okay, let's move on to the next question now. So Sharif, I'm going to ask you last question. What do you think of job opportunities? What kind of job can I expect, or do I have to struggle for getting a job after doing civil engineering in Germany?
So, in my view, I can share a few experience how I observe with my friends. Like experience matters. Like of course, if you don't have experience, you are skillful. That definitely makes you to hire. No one can guarantee you something that you are safe here, or like if you do this course, you are capable of getting a job. So it's all about it's selling yourself.
Mm-hmm.
So how you are confident, and even though you don't know the job or the task which has been given you, if you're pretty confident in convince him that okay, I will learn and I will do.
Right.
That impresses him. The way you portray yourself and the skill matters a lot.
Mhm.
It's not the other things which confines. It's not grade also. Like grade is just the academic marks you. It's just an entry.
Right.
So it's all about your skill. So depend on that, and language is, I feel, for civil engineering it's good and it's most important too.
Got it. Alright guys, so that's all for civil engineering, and thanks a lot first of all.
Yeah, thank you.
And we also showed you campus today this morning.
Yeah.
And yeah, I would like to end this video here, and if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.